Watch how easily you can create beautiful pieces of decor with embroidery hoops that you can get from any craft store. I have used 8-inch embroidery hoops, but you may use whatever you want and separate the inner rings from both. Cut out the desired width of the cane webbing and stick it with Spep 7 glue to the inner side of the ring. Trim off any extra cane to give it a neat finish. Add a generous layer of Spep 7 glue to one side of the ring and attach the circular MDF board to form its base. And in no time you have a pretty bohemian tray that you may style as you desire. Grab some hot tea and cozy up for the next DIY with the embroidery hoops. Begin by removing the smaller ring from both the hoops and intersect them as shown. Use one of the outer rings from the hoop pairs and overlap the intersected rings and secure well. Once you've secured the outer ring with the screw, the three of them remain pretty much stable and you don't need to apply any glue. Apply a generous coat of acrylic paint and allow it to dry for a couple of hours. You may add some beads to give it a nautical touch or just leave it as it is. And you're done! Super easy to execute and looks stylish and minimal in any corner.